It's a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. Providing you with a bounty of big-time capability, it's quite simply the do-it-all full-size SUV that accomplishes anything. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: entertainment system with Blu-ray, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V8 engine. Of the Tahoe, USA Today comments, "So smooth it's almost invisible." There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.